Did Coca-Cola make a smartphone? Well, not really. You see, Realme recently tweeted out that something exciting is bubbling, and it kind of resembles a, Coke aesthetic. Not cocaine, Coca-Cola. You see the color scheme, right? It says stay tuned, and if you click on that website, it takes you to this page where you can kind of sign up to get notified for something. Get ready to say cheers for real. It does look like a Coca-Cola-esque branding, and we do have some leaked images of this phone that has a very heavily themed Coca-Cola style back. It's apparently a modified Realme 10, Realme 10 4G, which is already out, but it might have a Coca-Cola skin on it, both on the hardware and maybe on the software too. We have seen this before from Realme, they are a sub brand of Oppo, who's one of the most well-known companies when it comes to custom phones, or at least special edition phones. Oppo had made some wacky phones over the years, like that Evangelion edition, and even Realme has followed suit with that Dragon Ball Z edition phone and that Naruto phone. So I'm not really surprised that they are doing something like this. And if I know anything about Realme and their past attempts, I'm thinking that this will be a pretty good integration. Like, it's not gonna be just a skin and a back cover on the phone. It'll be a proper integration. Like, I'm sure it'll have some sort of Coca-Cola aesthetic going throughout the UI. Other than that, it's pretty much the same standard Realme 10 4G. I don't think it'll have anything extra in terms of hardware specs compared to the existing Realme 10 4G. But let's be honest, no one's gonna buy this for the specs alone. It'll be like a limited edition or a collector's edition, something to remember this phone by. Some people really like these kind of things, a limited edition style phone that they like to keep in their collection and maybe hopefully resale it later on. But you can leave your phone number on their website and maybe you'll be notified for their launch event, which might happen soon. But yeah, what do you think? Coca-Cola phone, like, are you into these kind of custom edition phones? Are they appealing to you? Personally, I don't care too much because after 2 to 3 weeks of using it, it becomes a normal thing, right? The novelty wears off. So it might be cool to look at for once. I don't think it'll be a long lasting thing, at least in the excitement and the hype department. Only collectors will be looking at this device. But regardless, let me know your thoughts.